So in the following sequence of reactions, the compound Z is, we are starting with compound Z and the end product is also Z. So let us see from the options only. The given compound is treated with PCl5, means the given compound should be an alcohol. All the four options are alcohols here. Now let us try with the first compound. So what is the first compound? CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Let me write that compound here. CH3, CH2, CH2OH. This compound is now treated with PCl5. PCl5 means OH group will be replaced by Cl. So CH3, when alcohol is treated with PCl5, PCl3, wherever OH is there, that OH will be replaced by Cl. So CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl is the product obtained here. Now let us see what is the other reagent on the arrow. So alcoholic KOH. So when this compound is treated with alcoholic KOH. What is alcoholic KOH? Dehydrohalogenating agent. So what will I get? CH3, CH2, so CH3, Cl will go from this carbon, Cl will go from this carbon atom, H will go from this carbon atom, beta elimination. So what will I get? CH3, CH, double bond, CH2. Now this compound is treated with what? Concentrated H2SO4 boiling with water, means it is hydrolysis of alkene. Why is alkene here? Alkene and hydrolysis should give alcohol, and addition takes place according to Markovnikov's rule. So negative part should attack the carbon atom having less number of hydrogen atoms. So OH should attack the second carbon atom. So what will I get here? CH3, CH, OH, CH3. Okay, OH goes to the second carbon atom and H goes to first carbon atom, and you will get this product. But we are starting with the compound Z. The end compound also should be Z. But this is 1-propanol and this is 2-propanol. So this first option is wrong. First option is wrong. I am again repeating here. We are starting with the compound Z and we are ending up with the same compound. So from the given options we have to choose which one is the correct answer. So first option, again I am explaining, I am taking 1-propanol, treat with PCl5. OH group will be replaced by Cl. Whenever an alcohol is treated with PCl5 or PCl3, OH group should be replaced by Cl. Now alkyl halide is formed. That alkyl halide is treated with alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH is dehydrohalogenating agent. It is beta elimination. Hydrogen goes from beta carbon atom and halogen goes from alpha carbon atom. So what will I get here? CH3, CH, double bond, CH2. Now on this is followed by hydrolysis. Hydrolysis addition takes place according to Markovnikov's rule. OH goes to second carbon atom and H goes to first carbon atom. So you will get 2-propanol. So first compound is 1-propanol, second compound is 2-propanol. So first option is wrong. Now let us see what is the second option given here. Second option is CH3, CHOH, CH3. Now let us go to that compound, try with that compound. This is first option. Now let us try with the second option. CH3, CH, OH, CH3. This compound is now treated with PCl5. When it is treated with PCl5, When it is treated with PCl5, what will I get? OH should be replaced by Cl. So what will I get here? CH3, CH, Cl, CH3. Now this compound is treated with alcoholic KOH. What is alcoholic KOH? Dehydrohalogenating agent. H goes from beta carnatum, Cl goes from this carnatum. So what will I get? CH3 CH double bond CH2 followed by hydrolysis. Hydrolysis addition takes place according to Markovnikov's rule. OH goes to second carnatum, H goes to first carnatum. So what will I get here? CH3 CH OH CH3. So both the compounds are same. So your option B is the right option.